Hey lovies, welcome back to another recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you this mouth-watering spring rolls recipe. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Let me take you through the process of making this delicacy. So guys, right here are some of my list of ingredients, and I'm going to be having all of them on the description box. And for my spring rolls, I'm going to be using chicken. So I'm making chicken spring rolls here, and I'm using some chicken thighs. So right now, I'll go ahead and take off the parts of the chicken that I don't like, and I will start chopping the chicken into a very tiny strips. So you can either chop your chicken this way, or you can grill it and use your fork to shred it. So I'm just going to chop it and season the chicken. So to marinate the chicken, I'm going to be using some aromat chicken seasoning, some black peppers, garlic powder, onion powder, some ginger powder, and chicken seasoning. I'll also add in some smoked paprika. So right now I'll stir and mix this up together. And after mixing up, I'll cover it and set it aside to marinate. So right now I'll start shredding my cabbage, which is already clean. And after cutting my cabbage, I'll go ahead and start cutting the carrot, which is also already clean. So I'm using my shredder to shred the carrot, but if you don't have this, you can use your food grater, or you can just use your knife to chop it into very tiny pieces, which I'm going to be showing you that in a bit. So I'm going to be using my knife to cut this into tiny pieces. This also can work if you don't have the carrot cutter. So guys, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Thank you to my old and returning subscribers, and if you're new here, you're welcome to the family. My name is Lydia Isaac, and you're welcome to my channel. So if you find this recipe helpful, please don't hesitate to give it a big like and drop a comment on the comment section regarding anything you'd like me to explain to you. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do go ahead and click on the red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it so you never miss any recipe from this channel. So right now, I'll put my pot in the fire, which I'm going to be adding in just about a tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to use it to stir fry the chicken until it comes out cooked and nice. So right here, I'm cooking my chicken on a high heat. And I'll add in some fresh garlic into this chicken to give it that fresh garlic taste and aroma. And at this point, my chicken is well cooked, so I'll go ahead and add in all my already shredded veggies. I'll add in the cabbage, the carrot, onion, my red peppers and spring onion all at the same time, and I'll go ahead and stir fry this for about 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I'll go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, of which you can also use light soy sauce, any one you like. So I'll add in my dark soy sauce and I'll stir this together and allow it to cook for extra 2 minutes, which all in total my veggies cooked for 4 minutes. So at this point, you want to go ahead and taste for salt if your veggies have enough salt. So I went ahead and added just a little pinch of salt to balance the taste of my filling. So at this point the veggies is ready. I'll go ahead and set it off and allow it to cool down. So you want to make sure this cool down before you start wrapping your spring rolls. So here are my spring rolls wrap, and I'm going to go ahead right now and start prepping my spring rolls wrap. So if you want a recipe on how to make your wrap, I'm going to drop the link on the description box, and I'll also pin it on the comment section so you can get the link to make your spring rolls wrap and also the link on how to make your samosa. So right here is my glue, which is just about a tablespoon of flour and a little bit of water. So you can see how I placed my wrap on the table. I'll go ahead right now and fill it up. It all depends on how you want it to be. So I'll add up my filling and I'll go ahead. I'll just allow you to watch and see what I'm doing here. So after covering it, I will now go ahead and wrap it, and at this point I will add in the mixed flour and water, which is serving as my glue, and I will wrap it up, and that will make it to seal up totally. So I'm going to be showing you this process one more time again. So right now I'm going to show you another method you can use in wrapping your spring rolls if you're not satisfied with the first method. So I'll cover it up, flip up the left side and also the right side, and I will roll this up and use my flour mixed with water to seal it up. So guys, I hope this was helpful. So right here all my spring rolls are wrapped. I'll just go ahead and put my clean pot on the fire and add in my oil, which I'm going to use in frying my spring rolls. So for frying your spring rolls, you want to deep fry, so you need enough oil. My oil right now is hot, and I'll go ahead and start adding my spring rolls into the oil, and my fire is on the highest heat. So you want your fire to be on the highest heat so your spring rolls will come out crunchy. So right here my spring rolls are golden brown. I'll go ahead and set it out the oil, and I will place it on, I will allow it to be on the strainer to dry for about a minute or two, and then transfer it into my kitchen towel paper so it will absorb all the oil totally, and I'll go ahead and start frying the other batch of the spring rolls. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you do find this recipe helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, please do go ahead and click on the red subscribe button. Check on the description box as I have all the list of the ingredients over there. Till I see you on my next recipe, please don't forget to like this page,